Dingsing Road's egg pancake. Why is it blowing up overseas? Instagram, YouTube.
10 out of 10.
Getting off line 1, People Square, exit 9. Walk. A little more. There it is. It's raining, still packed. Let's see what the hype is about.
I just chose whichever one is on B. I said yes to adding everything, chili oil, all the sauces.
This is sausage, I think. Egg, churros.
周末人多，周中人少。然后周末我排过半小时这样。
那些外国的马来西亚什么都会跑到这里，价美无人。
From the internet. It's called Reddit. I looked up what food to try in Shanghai and it came up there.
I think I saw it on Instagram. And it's a cold day, so having something warm would be nice.
Saw it on TikTok. I live near West Nanjing Road and everything there seems like Europe and I don't like it. So I was looking for something local.
就是因为这种蛋饼比较少，山东煎饼就上海还是到处都有，但是这种上海的软蛋饼就比较少。
Wow. Delicioso.
This is unique.
Very good.
15、16年了，7点钟左右啊，就开始人多了，一般1点钟左右啊。
那你们怎么和外国人交流的？
豆瓣现在都有英文字母的。
每一块里脊肉，每一个面糊都是他亲自调出来的。去年的年头开始，上海不是对几个国家有免签的政策了嘛？我们先是看到有韩国人过来，然后手机翻译也比较困难，所以给他做了一个中英文的一个菜单。有一些孤寡老人啊等等啊，像他在进蛋啊或者怎么的时候，他会帮这些老人给送上门，所以他也是我们的社区友好店。
So what makes it that good?
火候没讲究，都在酱里面。
I will come back tomorrow. Thank you.
Our next food stop is linked to the PM, who is just in Shanghai. Got a Shanghai food spot we need to try? Drop it in the comments.